Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get back buttons in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to get your back buttons, let's see how can you do that. Here you can see there is no any back button, but I'm going to get them back. Just have to open the settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for display option, tap on it, then select navigation bar from here. If you can't get the settings here, you must have to go for your search, and here just simply search for navigation and you will get navigation bar in any Samsung phone. You must have to open your settings and here just tap on navigation bar and then select buttons from here. Once you have selected, you can easily see that there are back buttons. You can manage more settings from here. You can change the order of these buttons. So that's how you can easily get back buttons in any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.